Hi, I'm Fran Murphy, and I'm a personal injury attorney here in St. Clair Shores, Michigan. If you live in Michigan, you've probably noticed that buying car insurance is more confusing than ever. There are a lot of options now, and what you choose can seriously affect what happens after a crash. Today, I'm breaking down the different types of auto insurance policies you can buy in Michigan, including what PIP coverage is, what it means to opt out, and how to avoid surprises in your coverage. In Michigan, every auto insurance policy includes something called PIP. That stands for Personal Protection Insurance. It covers your medical expenses, lost wages, and care you receive due to your injuries, no matter who caused the crash. Now, instead of everyone getting unlimited medical coverage like before, you have to choose a level of coverage when you buy your policy. Here are the main options. Unlimited PIP coverage. This gives you full medical care for life after a crash. It's the most expensive, but also the most complete. It's recommended for everyone. $500,000 or $250,000 limits. These give you up to $250,000 or $500,000 in medical coverage if you're injured in an auto accident. Once those limits are reached, you're responsible for anything beyond that. If you have health insurance, it could be that health insurance kicks in after that, but it's not the case every time. $50,000 cap. This option is only available if you're on Medicaid, but it leaves you with very limited protection if you're seriously hurt. A lot of people choose lower limits to save money, but they don't realize what they're missing. We've seen clients stuck with huge bills because their PIP coverage ran out too soon. We recommend, if you can afford it, that you always buy unlimited PIP benefits. Some drivers can choose to opt out of PIP medical coverage completely. This is only allowed if you have Medicare or certain qualifying health coverage. If you opt out, your auto insurance will not pay for any medical bills from a car crash. You're counting entirely on your health insurance. That might sound fine on paper, but it can get complicated. Health insurance may not cover things like rehab or in-home care. If you're over 60 and you opt out for wage loss benefits, but you're actually working, you might not be able to get wage loss benefits. If you're thinking about opting out, get some advice before you commit to that decision. Another decision you'll make is whether to buy a coordinated or uncoordinated PIP policy. A coordinated policy means your health insurance pays first. Your auto insurance only pays if something is not covered by your health insurance. An uncoordinated policy means your auto insurance pays first, no questions asked. Coordinated policies are cheaper, but they can lead to delays and denials. If your health insurance denies a claim, you might get stuck trying to sort out who pays. Uncoordinated coverage costs more, but offers less hassle and more protection when you need it. Some policies include exclusions for certain people in your household. If someone is excluded and gets hurt in a crash, your insurance won't cover their medical bills. We've seen this happen with young drivers and relatives who live in the home but don't have their own coverage. Always check your policy to see who is actually covered. It's not always obvious. Insurance is one of those things that people don't think about until they need it. But the choices you make now can protect your health, your finances, and your family down the line. If you've been in a crash or just want someone to review your policy and explain what you're covered for, give me a call. It's free to talk, and I'm happy to help.